If you're always craving for snacks, look here. This little sachet is packed with powerful benefits which help to boost metabolism, burn stubborn fat, and reduce bloating, all thanks to its star ingredient, which is the Japanese Kuro black vinegar. Just pour 1 sachet into the water, stir well until fully dissolved. There are 2 flavors, which is prune and peach. After that, you just need to chill in the fridge for 1 hour. Oh yes, my healthy jelly is ready, and I take this before meals to help my body burn more and reduce craving. So if you're like me, love snacks but wants to stay on track, try Kuro KOSEN jelly and you will love the taste, and honestly my girls love it too.